Welcome back to the Accelevents Raffle Overview video series. In this step, we'll show you how to set your raffle end date and time. This is when your winning participants will be drawn and notified. So again, we'll go to our event checklist. We'll see the next step on our list is setting the raffle date and ending time. We'll click on this item. We can also find this page under the raffle settings button under your admin menu. So here you'll see we can quickly and easily set our event end time and date. When we set these times and dates, everything will save automatically, and then back on your main menu, that end date and time will automatically update. You'll see the ticker here. You can also view your site, and on that page you'll be able to see a live update of when your raffle is ending as well. So you'll see that over on the left here.